So we're going to do a YouTube video of Chinese lanterns, and we're going to start with a closer to full tempo and then move to a slower version. Okay, if your arms get tired, you can just switch them.
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. 2, 1. Oh, sorry. Alright, so this time I'm going to do a slower version. You start with your F major chord, and then you go down to D minor chord, and then this one right, C major chord. And then you have 2 rests, and you play the same 2 chords, but you play them twice, and you play them staccato. I'll go a little slower. F major again. All right.